Another flipping day. So today is a different day, so we want to flip a small account just to make sure you understand that it is possible to flip any kind of account. I love flipping accounts. It's much better and more comfortable than having a very big account and just looking at small percentages. Maybe I'll do that later once I'm financially free, but as of now I just love flipping. Okay, so this is it. I took some sell trades right here. Okay, and then I have my stop loss above there. Okay, the small account is let's see, 18. It was from $18. I've made 34 currently, floating $34. Okay, so I'm expecting this price to maybe drop a little bit lower. Okay, so after the price has dropped lower, okay, maybe we can see what next. Maybe I'll add a position or maybe not. Okay, so by the end of today, let me see how this goes. All right, so maybe I'll drop my stop loss to break even, or maybe to around there, just to make sure the trade is cannot get into a loss. Okay, maybe secure $2-3 around there, and then leave the trade to keep on running. Okay, so let's see how this goes. Let's see how this goes in the next couple hours. So $30 from an $18 account. Okay, yep.
Trading stands on three major main pillars. Okay, so the first one is psychology, second one is a good strategy, and the third one is good money management or the risk management. Okay, so if you have a very good and stable psychology and also have a good strategy, or relatively good strategy, maybe between 60 and, or let's say 55 to 75% win rate, okay, with good risk to reward and also a good risk management, you definitely make money in the long run. Okay, don't count your success based on every single day. Don't count your success based on if you made money on Monday, if you made money on Tuesday, on Wednesday or Thursday. Minimum, just do your calculations over the weekend. So how was the whole week? How was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday and Friday? Okay, how much did I make the entire week, or how many pips did I make the entire week, or what percentage did I make the whole week? Okay, you can also decide to do that. Maybe if you are a swing trader, you can decide to do that monthly. Okay, if you're a position trader, you can decide to do that quarterly. Okay, but mainly don't focus on trying to look at what you made on one specific day. Okay, because it will discourage you or maybe screw up your mindset on the following day. Okay, that is the first thing. Strategy, you have to have a good strategy. If you don't have a strategy that you trust and feel that you are comfortable with every single time you are trading, your psychology will definitely be messed up. Okay, how will you make money if your psychology is messed up? So the first thing, I believe you need to master a good strategy. That is the first thing. The strategy is just 10% of trading, around 10%. Then good risk management, maybe they share the rest of the portion with the psychology. Okay, so if you have a good strategy, the strategy will give you a good psychology, since if you know you are following the trend, like on my strategy, if you know you are following the trend, you are comfortable still holding the trade, and that's how your psychology and your mental status is very straightforward. Okay, so with that, make sure you have a very good strategy that you trust, that you understand, that you are comfortable with. Your psychology at some point will be easier to deal with the entire situation in trading, so you have a good mindset around that. Okay, and also combine that with a good risk management. Don't over risk. Okay, there are two ways that you can use to trade, to manage your risk. Most people don't understand. Most people think just because we are used to flipping small accounts, like deposit to $20, take that to 500, 300, with the draw come back to 50, that we are not managing risk. Just because we are using maximum risk on a $50 account doesn't mean we are not managing any risk. Okay, these are the two ways to do that. The first one, let's give an example. You have $1,000. Okay, so on $1,000, you can decide to have the 1,000 USD on your trading account and risk 2 to 5% per trade, right? So what is 5% of $1,000? That is $50. Okay, that is the first way. You are managing your risk in that way. Okay, this is the second way that you can manage risk, and that is how I do it. And most of these people you see flipping, like they are having 10k, they are flipping that to 60k in a day or 2 days, even to 100k in a day or 2 days. They are normally having like $1 million in their bank account, so they only deposit 1% of their entire capital. Okay, and they use maximum risk on that particular account. So they are managing risk even way more better than even we are doing, since they only risk 1% of the money they have in the bank. Yet for a normal person, they just take the entire amount they have, like let's say 300, 500, they deposit the whole amount that they have in the bank, and they are trying to risk 5% of that. You're even more risky than the guy who is flipping a 10k account with 1 million with the rest in the bank account. Okay, so that's the second scenario. Flipping accounts comes down to having a bigger chunk, have $100, have maybe if you are starting out, you want to start test the market with $100, deposit $20. Okay, if you are having $1,000, deposit 100 or maybe $50. That is 5% of the account. Be aggressive on that. Be very aggressive. There is one thing that situation will help you on the discipline, since you don't want to take any messed up trade. You don't want to gamble in any way. Since you know just one slight mistake, boom, your account is gone. Okay, so you'll be disciplined to follow your strategy. You'll be more patient. Okay, and anytime you notice anything that is weird in the market, you just take the profit instantly, because you know any wrong thing can just come back to your account and blow the account. So it gives you more discipline, more patience, and maybe more confidence when it comes to trading, since you know you have the backup finances in your bank. Okay, so that is why most people flip. Most people don't understand that. Most people think, oh, these guys are risking all the account, so you go ahead, take all the money that you have, 200, deposit, boom, and it's gone. The guy you are trying to copy flipping 200 to 10k or to 500, this guy has 10k or even 20k in their bank account. Okay, so make sure you understand those two concepts. So the entire the whole of this channel is just there to reveal most of these basic things that most people don't talk about, that will make a difference in your trading. So make sure you subscribe, okay, and also make sure you like this video down below. Okay, make sure your like button is blue always. Okay, and make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification. I'll be dropping more and more content like this one to help you. So let's get back to the video and see how we are continuing to flip the $18 all the way to probably our first target 500. Maybe after that I'll decide maybe to withdraw back to 100 and do again to 1,000, or maybe just continue to $1,000. Okay, so let's see how this goes by the end of the entire video. So I'm revealing several things that will help you, so make sure you stick to the video all through to the end. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, okay, and make sure you share this video to other people who are aspiring to be good traders as well. So okay, just be generous. Okay, see you there.
First goal. So let's see if the account is now at 50, we are just closing the trades. Okay, let's get to 50 around here, equity. All right, okay, almost, let's get there. So let's see. Okay, great, close. Bam, good. The account is now sitting on $50. So from 18 to 50, and next on the next trade that you are trying to catch, we are taking this account to $100. Okay, so we have been using 0.05, so, and the next trade was 0.02, so we'll use 2 next time, 0.05, and take this account to $100. Okay, so see you then. I've taken the next trade on USD yen, right there, USD yen, and the stop loss right there. So if the stop loss get triggered, I'll only be losing around $7. Okay, so around $7. Okay, so let's see how this goes in the next few hours. Currently 10:32 a.m. so let's see how this goes in the next few hours.
After closing the trades at a profit around $50, I guess, yeah, $50, I then decided to take another trade on USDN, since GBPUSD did not have any good opportunity at that particular time. So after that, boom, I took the next trade on USDN. I was right on the direction, as you can see, or at the place that I placed. And then later on, the price just went up and then pulled back a little bit. Okay, then to my stop loss, it was around 9 pips only, not too much. Then after that, the price then shot up towards my direction and even went way further in the next few days. That is on Thursday and Friday. Okay, so I was right on the direction and everything, but that is why I love just trading one currency pair that I understand completely. Even if it does something shoddy or maybe anything that I don't understand, I still know it will happen, so I either reduce my risk or something like that. But for other currency pairs, I don't understand them completely. Okay, that is why I just love specializing on one pair. Okay, so USDN then dropped and then boom, shot up, so I took a small loss on that. After the loss on the USD yen, we then took another trade on GBPUSD, my favorite pair. Okay, and from that we made a few bucks that shot the account up all the way to $80 by the end of the day. Okay, so this was the second day. Monday, on Tuesday, that is when I started trading the $18 account. So on Tuesday, Wednesday, yeah. So after that, we closed on Wednesday at the account at around 80 bucks or something like that. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at that as well. Okay, yeah, sure thing. We just took the other trade, another trade on GBPUSD right there, and we've waited for quite some time now. I had already called it a day, all right, but I saw this as a great opportunity that is so irresistible. Okay, so after this pattern right here, we pulled close to the moving average, one of my entry techniques. Okay, and then I had to take this trade. I will never let this trade just slip away from my hands. Okay, so this is it. So after that in the morning, so let's check at the history on the same account. Okay, so after the morning trades, okay, $27, I then took another trade, lost on USDN. I lost around $9. Okay, and then made some more from Euro GBP. I really trade other currencies. Okay, so this is like was like trying to get some more opportunities. Okay, and then after that I made some more money on Euro GBP, $6 to recover the first loss, and then I lost on CAD yen. Okay, then after that, we are now currently having this trade almost at 100 pips. Okay, I took this at 1.2827 and currently at 1.2740. Okay, so that's around 1.27, that's around 60, 70, 80, almost 80 or close to 90 pips. Okay, so here's the trade. Bam, $25, and it is a 0.03. Okay, this is not even a 0.1. This is 0.03. Okay, and we are currently at 76 from $18 in the morning. Okay, so let's keep grinding. Let's get this account to $200 by tomorrow. Okay, so today's on Tuesday, so we'll be getting this account to $200 by tomorrow evening. Okay, tomorrow on Wednesday. So see you later. So let me see how I can do this account with this trade, and hopefully wait for them in the next few minutes to see if the take profit will be hit. Yo, I've decided to take the profit right there. Okay, since it is currently almost 6 p.m. my time, and after 5 p.m. around 6 p.m. The market normally gets a little bit slow, so I'm still expecting the market to drop lower, but I've taken the profit right there since I've hit my daily goal at $71 from $18 for today. So let's see how this goes for tomorrow. So today's profit is $53. Okay, so let's see how this goes. See you later. Oh, another day. So I've taken multiple trades right here. Right here, I took one trade here, boom, came all the way down, then I added one more position. Looks like the market is coming back at me to stop me. Okay, I'll be exiting at around here. I've just marked that to show that I'll be exiting at around there. Okay, so yeah, so let's see how this is doing. So we are down $6 on the 72 that we made yesterday. That's fine. So let's see how the day ends. Okay, so I still don't trust this trade since we are too far. The distance right here is too far from the moving average, so I still expected this market to be a loss. Okay, I took one trade at 95, came down, then came back at me, and I decided to exit. Okay, at a very small profit, I think 5 pips or something. Yeah, and then entered again, but I still don't trust this trade at all. And if you're in doubt, don't just enter the trade, just leave it. Okay, so that's it, being stopped and waiting for the next day until the market comes all the way close, or maybe shows me something tangible to show the market. Oh, I lost on the 2 trades, just exactly as I said. Okay, and then I've set two more sell limits for the day. So these are the last trades for the day. So today's on Wednesday. I'm expecting maybe to have a slight move. Okay, so let's see how this goes in the course of the day. So this is the first buy limit, the second buy limit. Okay, and we have our stop loss above there. Okay, so let's see how this goes in the next couple hours. Currently 12:48 p.m. Okay, so almost 1 p.m. So let's see how this goes in the next couple hours. Yo, one of the trades that account that was flipping, the small one, the trade was triggered right there,
and then this trade was not triggered. You can see that the sell limit is still active, and then boom, the account dropped all the way. Okay, so apparently I am thinking of closing this trade. So I took a loss in the morning around, I think, $10. Let's see. So it was around on $10 in the morning, and currently we are up $15. So for the day we are up around $6. Okay, that's fine. So let's see how tomorrow goes. So today has been a consolidating day, so we can expect a good day tomorrow. Okay, so you can see that today was somehow a consolidating day, nothing much. Boom, so nothing much. So if today we just closed at a profit, it's good. Okay, so let's see how this goes in the next. So I'll be taking profit on this. Okay, let me first screenshot and update the group as well. Share Telegram, and then boom. We have recovered 35 pips that we lost and closed at around 12. Is it 12 pips? So let me first count on that. Boom. And so we have around $6 using the 0.3. That's around 20 pips. Closed the day at 20 pips. And then bam, let me close the trade as well. Close, bam, that's it. So the account is still growing every single day. You can see that this account was $18 yesterday, $18, currently $75. So let's hit this account at 100 or maybe 120 by tomorrow.
Good morning. So today is on Thursday. Even before I get out of bed, I've seen this nice setup right here, and I think it's even worth taking even before I get out of bed. Okay, so let's see how this goes in the course of the day. So I just sold 0.1 right there. Boom, the same small account, same flipping account right there, sitting at $75 from 18. Okay, currently in $5 profit. So let's see how this goes in the course of the day. Okay, so I think this setup is worth taking. The stop loss is very tight. If I lose, I only lose $9. Okay, $9 or $10. Okay, around $10 or $9. Okay, so let's see how this goes. It could drop all the way to here. Okay, 1.2658. I've already given the setup on the group as well. So let's see how this goes in the course of the day. Okay, I'll get back to sleep. 7:48 a.m. and since I've done my analysis and traded in I think 5 minutes, so I think I should now maybe take some time, relax, and see how the day goes on.
That's all we have for today. So make sure you've subscribed and like this video so that you cannot miss the next episode when I upload it. Okay, so make sure you subscribe right now. Okay, and also make sure you like this particular video so that you can encourage me to keep doing whatever I'm doing to help you. Okay, that is it we have for today. Boom, keep going, keep grinding, and also make sure you are learning every single day. So if you want to learn this particular strategy, I have highlighted a few things on the best following strategy. Okay, so make sure you check out this video right here. Okay, link in the description below. And also if you want to learn the entire all of my techniques, I have like 6 entry techniques, 4 for the exits, and 2 ways to put your stop losses. Okay, so I have several of them. I have more things on psychology, how to manipulate or fit in your psychology in a very good way, so that you can also keep on making more money consistently. Okay, so that you can become more a little bit maybe more consistent with time as time goes by. So make sure you contact me directly. It's only $40. Skrill, Word Remit, or M-Pesa, any of those kind of things, payment methods. So make sure if you want to learn more about that, contact me, prepare your screen. It's only $40. I'll just send you immediately you pay, contact me. I just send everything that you need to learn so that you can improve your game and also learn how I trade. Okay, so see you then.